The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Adair County in northeastern Oklahoma, Cherokee County in east central Oklahoma, northeastern Muskogee County in east central Oklahoma, until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles south of Hulbert, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Tahlequah, Hulbert, Eldon, Proctor, Christie, Scraper, Sequoia State Park, Pumpkin Center, Barron, Marietta. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.